side. This we have done it in appreciation for the gift of the computers and projector given by our Lordship Matri. Our Chief Guest, the Bishop of the Diocese, religious leaders present, our distinguished game is in Masisi Favor, Senior 6 Sciences. I'm very honored us in every step by step, and we promise to follow what you have taught us. And these are our